Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX 20th Anniversary Carbon Fiber Edition. So friend, GALAX has launched a new edition derived from the previously revealed 20th Anniversary Edition, and this model features distinctive 3-slot design incorporating 3 fans with one position one on the opposite side, and this model has some innovative design choices such as hidden power connector, which is not yet common among 12VH PWR models, and the carbon fiber edition has a front panel cover with carbon fiber material. Certainly does not seem it actually carbon fiber, and this 20th anniversary graphics card feature 2 into 10 cm 20th anniversary exclusive fans on the front, ensuring quiet and stable operation, and on the other side one main find a smaller 90 cm fan for effective heat dissipation. And the carbon fiber edition is actually a bit faster than the normal variant. The push clock has been increased to 2610 MHz from 2595 MHz, so not a major increasement. In fact, we look at the official specification, the carbon edition actually has lower max TGP at 510 watt, and the white model has a 516 watt TGP. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.